hello to you on this lovely Monday morning.
Is that a good morrow to the gentlefolk and gentlewomen? And
Everyone.
And gentle in between?
Everyone.
Oh, good.
And this week on the award-winning Move for Wellness, I do like saying that, we are doing chair exercises. And today we are continuing on from last week's resistance band week by doing resistance band chair crunches. And it's very simple. You wrap the resistance band around the base of your chair, so not around the legs, the actual bottom of the chair. Wrap it round the back and over your shoulders, and you just gently crunch forward. This works your abs. It's actually a really good alternative for crunches for those who maybe don't find it easy to lie down on the floor. This is almost like actually the abs machine you might find at the gym. Now make sure that you don't pull on the resistance band putting yourself forward. Make sure you're using your abs to move yourself forward. And make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground, providing you a solid base. Because if you've got dangly feet,
you're sitting in the wrong size chair.
Well, there's that, but also we've got dangly feet. You're not going to get much of a good stretch on the abs. Remember, choose whichever strength resistance band is suitable for you. Great thing about chair exercises is they provide a functionality. They help people, maybe they have trouble getting in and out of a chair. They help people if they can't exercise in a regular position.
People actually understand a crunch can be more effective than a full sit-up because you're using smaller range of motion.
And it's also more zeroed in on the abs. If you're doing a full-on sit-up, you're also working a bit of your back, a bit of your obliques. This focuses purely on your abs.
And if you do this long and hard
enough... we've gone over time. So we'll continue this conversation tomorrow. Bye.